Oh, hello. How you guys doing today? We were just gonna come on and talk some strat. What happened today? Start with the futures, because that's what we always do. So, in the futures market, in the indices, kind of a whole lot of nothing happened until FOMC. Good, good. Glad to hear you guys are good. We were inside day on ES and NQ for the majority of the day until FOMC happened. And you can see we already had, our daily trigger, because this was a 2 down, just barely. Can hardly tell, but it was. So 2 down, so we were looking for a 2 back up to the upside. Hoping we can get this week triggered, but we've only got 2 days left, so we shall see. Same thing with NQ, although it did not reach magnitude. And you'll notice what happened right before FOMC. They made a new low. So anyone who was long anytime this morning and was using this as their stop got taken out for what to happen, for a broadening formation to happen. So you had your high, low, new high, new low, and then knowing that the day was green, knowing that the likely reversal would have been a 2 down, 2 up today, you would want to take this anticipating a new high. And also, if that works, can we expand to the upside and trigger the day, which you'll see we did. And ES actually did hit its target. Let's see if I'm trying to pull something up. See if I can. Pulling some up in the Discord. So I posted this here. Let me just screenshot it. I was basically saying we were stuck in the middle of the broadening formation. So I said we need to get unstuck, and then if we get unstuck, we can trigger the day. Here was well, that's tiny. I had typo because I was typing really fast. But at 2:30, I was talking about that we got unstuck. We can maybe trigger the day now. So go to the 5. I was talking about this 5-minute right here. We came off the bottom, stopped everybody out, got a reversal, inside and up, came back in a little bit, inside and up, taking out the top of the broadening formation. So I said, hey, we got unstuck. So now let's see if we can expand and trigger the day, which is this white line. And we did. Went 3, 1. So that's an add. Up, 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 up. What happens when we hit our target? We know that's potential exhaustion. So can lock in profit there and then hold a runner till it reverses, which it did reverse right there. So it was really pretty boring all day until FOMC. So that was that. It's kind of nice on the 15-minute chart with the broadening formation, right? So straight to target. So that was nice. Yeah, the thing is, like, the futures have not triggered the week. SPY and sorry. So ES still is an inside week, NQ still inside week. RTY or IWM is the only future that actually broke the week to the upside. Just something to note. Yeah. So what happened with SPY was it hit daily magnitude, and that's where profit taking happened. And that's what we were calling out. What was the target? 569.71. And also pull that up. 569.71. Posted this. So this was me talking about the broadening formation expanding, because it did. It triggered the day and then expanded. So we got our answer very clearly. Expando it is. ES is trying for daily target as well as SPY 569.71. So I mean, it did what it was supposed to today. And again, ES is still inside week. So here's the daily trigger. Here's the daily target. If you go to like the 5-minute, the green line, that's the daily target. And then you got a what? You got a 5-minute 2-2 reversal, and they puked it a bit at the end of the day. So that's where profit taking happens, because that's where it's supposed to happen. The week still struggling to stay in force. We only have 2 days left in the week. We are not going to hit weekly magnitude by any means, especially with ES still inside week. So it makes perfect sense why they took profit here at the end of the day. And then they dropped it, what, almost $3 in 5, 10, 15 minutes. This is an exhaustion reversal, because they hit magnitude. That's where profit taking happens. That's where you expect corrective activity to happen. Is it not? It is. And look where that 5 happened as opposed to the 15. The 15 happened quite a bit lower. 569, like 125 lower. So green daily line, because it's a strat setup. It's a 2 down, 2 up. Entry, target. I usually use the 12-hour, but the 12-hour is correct here the past couple days. So I mean, as long as a lot of people don't like to trade high impact news, and that's fine. You don't have to if you're not comfortable doing it. What else is going on? We've been talking, well, Alex mostly has been talking a lot about, let me get a little higher time frames. Actually, we're going to do my normal month, week, day. We'll do 4-hour. We've been talking a lot about XLF and XLE. XLF just had a hammer on the week. This is not my perfect setup because we didn't take out downside magnitude, but we knew coming into this week based on the weekend videos that we did, and we knew that XLF and XLE were stronger because they closed as hammers, whereas the rest of the market did not close as hammers. Well, at least they were also red. So XLE and XLF were strong heading into the week. And you'll see this weekly setup here. So we had a little, like, pretend this doesn't exist yet. We had a little pivot low here. We made a lower high. Then they made a new low. So this begins your broadening formation. Low, high, new low. We were looking to make a new high, which we did do. And also we had the month potential for outside month, which we did hit, but still the weekly broadening formation. So you had a 3, 1, 2 up week, hit target 1 and hit target 2. So energies have been doing really nice. And they triggered on Monday. This is Monday. They triggered on Monday, hit a target on Tuesday, but didn't reverse, and then continued on Wednesday to magnitude. So pretty simple stuff. COP. COP was a little trickier. They did trigger the day on Monday. On Tuesday, they ticked down a slight 2 down and then came back in for potential outside day. So this could have stopped you out. But if it did, you could have also found a way back in, most likely on the 60. And then boom, it also hit outside month magnitude. Show you the month. Right, so there was our weekly trigger, and the month was all the way down here, started reclaiming this low, so we expect it to go up there and become an outside month, which you can see it did. XOP, also a really nice one, beautiful broadening formation. We took out these lows back here, so that's your downside exhaustion. This is why we look to play exhaustion reversals. You call it reclaim, you can call it exhaustion reversal, you can call it broadening formation. It's all the same stuff as long as you understand that once you take out a low, then you don't know if it's going to keep on going or not. If it's going to reverse, it's going to look like an inside and up or a 2 down, 2 up. That's pretty much it. So inside and up, boom, hit its target. That also triggered on Monday. So we had a simultaneous energy break on Monday. So the week triggered on Monday, 2 up continuation on Tuesday, 2 up continuation on Wednesday, hitting weekly magnitude. Did I look at? Yeah, we already looked at that one. XLF. Oh, we already looked at that one. Morgan, so we had Morgan Stanley at downside exhaustion with a hammer week last week. So 2 up week this week. Also a little tricky, but they kind of gapped it down. They closed here, gapped it down. If you did get stopped out, look to the smaller time frames if you were really watching this to see what you could have done. And you'll see they took the day down, but it was a 2 down green 15er. So you could have just re-entered right there. And then they hit that target. Goldman Sachs did the exact same thing. BAC triggered the week on Monday, 2 up Tuesday. So simultaneous, like they all did the same thing. So no reason to get out of it. I want to talk about Bitcoin while we're here. I posted a while ago about a broadening formation and what we wanted to see happen. I believe it was either, this is the great thing about the Strat. Can't get a reversal back up until you get a reversal back up. So it was either this week when I drew this, I don't remember when, weeks ago, and I said we wanted to see a reversal back up. Did we get one this week? No, we did not get a 2 up. Did we get one this week? No. Did they hit downside exhaustion again? Yes. Did we get a 2 up week this week? Yes. And you also had a Rev Strat day today to trigger the week. So this is your domino trade for the week. So a daily setup to trigger a weekly setup. And it's just kind of cute. They're both fractal because they are both bullish Rev Strats. So inside, 2 down, looking for the 2 up. Inside, 2 down, looking for the 2 up today. So the 2 up happened on the daily chart, taking out this target, and triggering the week. So, and now you have a 2 down green month. So now this is no longer a monthly trigger. It is potential for an outside, well, we don't have a ton of time left in the month, but regardless, there is a reversal occurring off of the bottom of a broadening formation. Year is red. We should probably mark that open. So this is good to know. You need to know these things. If the Rev Strat week works and hits its target, what's that going to do to the year? If the yearly open is here and we hit our target, it's going to change the year from red to green. So then you'll have full time frame continuity above here. Right now you have monthly, weekly, daily, 60 full time frame continuity, which is great. It's enough, but changing the year will be even better. And that candle still has, this weekly setup has 4 days and 2 hours left in it. And, I am very particular about my lines. Oh, that's the wrong color. No, that is the right color. And you sort of have this pivot machine gun. So, could happen. Domino Geronimo. I like that sand dollar. Okay, I also wanted to talk about gold. So, still good, right? From this inside year and up break. What else was there? Still good from the inside month and up break. Still good from the 3-1-2 up week. And if you go to the daily, 2 up, 2 up, 2 up, 2 up, 2 up, 2 up. No reason to get out. If you're a daily guy or gal, you don't want to get out till you get a reversal. What is a reversal? A 2 down. Or an inside and then down. Just basically breaking a previous day's low. To keep it simple. A 2 down. So gold is still good. Silver, not as strong as gold. But we are still inside year, but we are bright green on the year. Still inside on the quarter, bright green on the quarter. 2 up month, bright green. triggered the 2-up week, not currently in force. Well, technically that's not an in force. It's not an actionable signal, but trying to get back above last week's highs. So tomorrow, and you can see I marked your targets over here already. So 31.51 and 31.80. So tomorrow, this will be actionable. You have a green 2 down. Is that something we look for in times of full time frame continuity? It is. So tomorrow you want to see them go 2 up and then preferably continue 2 up. Oh, we only have 2 trading days left in the week. So maybe we get to 31.51 by Friday. That's what we want to see. Let me look at the chat real fast. Hi, Quintessential Dad. It's been a while since I've seen you. Wonder if it was Charles that asked me about BRKB last time too. I never look at this thing. It's been a long time since I've looked at this. I mean, it's just up at all-time highs. There's not much to say. Got a 2 down, 2 up for tomorrow. Your only magnitude is that. I don't have a target for you because it's at all-time highs. Have the inside week doing nothing. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. All stuck inside this. Chop chop. I just did brk.b. Do you want what the one without the period? Because I just did the other one. What's our mentality dealing with the volatility we're experiencing? We love it. Because things happen fast. Yeah, we love it. Did you guys see Google the other day? That was awesome. So this was on our watch list for Tuesday because I was looking at charts on Monday night, saw this inside day. I was like, oh, we're shorting that. Pivot, 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 outside quarter magnitude. Then, of course, today we get a reversal because we are at downside exhaustion because we hit outside quarter. I'll show you that. This is just all the stuff we're always talking about. You can apply it to any time frame. So if you view last quarter as a range, the high, the low, What are we always saying when we okay. When we fail that was really ugly. When we fail one side of the range, we're looking to take out the other side and go outside bar because we know how threes happen. Ew. So that was really nice. Meta. Ugh. Big shooter year. And it is not at exhaustion. It's trying to go outside quarter. Oops. Ah. Outside quarter. It did hit monthly magnitude, but outside quarter is the higher time frame magnitude. And how are you going to reverse this week? You aren't. You did take out this pivot. So it's not at I would say it's not at exhaustion yet. I would really prefer it to take out that quarter. It's at, I'll say it's at a form of exhaustion, but not like a great one. And even if this inside day and up works and hits its target of here, you're not doing anything to the week. And that's not much magnitude. It's only 1.3%. And that's an expensive stock. I am not married, never have been, never want to be. MA, I don't like it. Giant red outside month, not at exhaustion, inside week, coming into a Thursday. Today, yes, you had an inside and up only because the financial sector was doing it, but I don't plan on it. I'm 40. I'm not getting married. Nope. Hams. Nothing to do here. Not now. You got a 2 up, 2 down month in force. Honestly, though, if it stays inside week this week, you would want to short it for monthly magnitude, which is this pivot down here. Ugh. Why are you trying to trade something that is so stuck? No, I sound like Rob right now. Why are you in that? Why are you looking at that? No, 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 no. Again, inside week. You guys stop looking at things inside week coming into a Thursday. No good. Did Microsoft hit magnitude on the quarter? Yes. There. 386. But Look at the year. Bright red. Microsoft is looking like it's trying to go 2 down on the year. And this is a fun fact. Microsoft hasn't had a 2 down year since 2009. What is that? 16 years? Yeah. That's insane. We're going to want to know about that. I have an alert set for it. Baba, RevStrat year in force. I am excited about Ninja Trader. I'm also nervous. Starting a new thing is always a little nerve-wracking. I want you guys to be there, please. I need the Strat support. Yep, I was born in 84 in November. I start Ninja Trader at 9 a.m. Eastern. Inside week breaks are great for Mondays, just like we were showing earlier with all of energy breaking inside and up on a Monday. I reviewed NQ at the beginning, so you can go back and watch that. You gotta look. Okay, so I think this is a boy. I am new to Strat. I find myself stuck in Chop Shop. How to avoid it. You have to do top-down analysis. You gotta start at the higher time frames and work your way down. Hold on one second. Uno momento. For looking at the weekly stuff, we were really focused on energies and financials. Wells Fargo was another one that we were watching this week because it's a beautiful broadening formation. So we look for all the Strat stuff, right? High, low, new low. Hammer week. We were looking long for Wells Fargo. It's just Strat stuff. So broadening formations, downside exhaustion, which occurred there, and reversals back up. And then you had a reconfirming actionable signal today because the week, if we take the inside day and up, the week's in force. This is why you got to do your top-down analysis. The month already hit all of its magnitude, took everybody out who had been long since December of 2024. Anybody long in all this, hoping it would just continue and then let it fall all the way back in on them, just got taken out. So then we're always playing against the losers. So then we look for reversals up. And this is a reconfirming. This is one of the 3 ways to Strat. A reconfirming signal, such as the daily, when the higher time frame signal, the weekly, is in force. Yep. I'm saying yep too. 12-month time frame can be used the same as a 4-hour. Yep, you can be a yearly guy, like Baba, for example. RevStrat year in force. inside, 2 down in green. They triggered the year here at 117.82 and still good. Art yearly was awesome. Back. Oop, didn't mean to do that. I meant to hit replay. Arc, red 2 up year. Trigger, target. This is a 3, 2, 2, which is on your combo sheet. Did we hit it? Oh my gosh. Did we talk about this on Twitter? We sure did. Oh, for the love of God, just come on now. I don't think I can go any faster. What month is it? No, we're here for it. We're watching it happen. Take them out. Boom. See? 322. I'm not switching platforms. I use 2 platforms. I'm just excited to show the strat to a whole new group of people because we've pretty much tapped you guys out. So everybody, well, I guess people still, it's not as, like, people aren't coming in as big as they were like a long time ago. Like, we used to have people all the time say, oh, I just found the strat, and we don't hear that very much anymore because we talk about it all the time. You guys already follow us. You know about it. But NinjaTrader has a giant audience of new people that we can teach it to, which that's the exciting part. They have like almost 120,000 YouTube subscribers, which is great. They said they get like 70,000 active new users a month. And the problem with the futures industry is, well, I think the problem is the prop firms, but I'm not going to get into all that. But all these people come in and then they blow up and they never come back. So if we can teach them how to trade and profitably trade and not blow up their accounts, then the people can make money and NinjaTrader can make money and everybody can make money. But if all these people are blowing up, what good is it doing? So that's why they brought on Anthony Crudelli to like head this whole new trader education with all these amazing people who I've admired for a long time on Twitter, and I'll get to meet a bunch of them on Thursday. We're going to a dinner. I'll get to meet Tanya Trades, Pax Trader. I'm not sure who else is going to be there, but it's cool. I'm excited. And Anthony's really cool. He's a sweet guy, very down to earth. He's been trading futures for like almost 30 years, I think. Yeah, I still use Thinkorswim for stocks and options, but I don't use Thinkorswim for futures because their commissions are outrageous. Franchise, I would say no. Oh yeah, farm. I don't know if he's in town or not. I don't think a lot of people are in town. Most of them are remote. It just so happened that Anthony Cridelli lives in Naples, so they built a studio right by him to make it easy for him. It's really a cool studio. I don't know if you guys have seen any of the lives this week, but they've been live all week. You should check it out. It's really cool. So yeah, we have economic news tomorrow. Let me check. I don't know. Unemployment claims an hour before the open. That's the only red folder the rest of the week. FYI. So an hour before open, unemployment claims. Oh, also, I posted a link to our Discord. We have a free side, which I feel like everybody should be in because why would you not? Trying to find a link. I don't know how to, invite here. Copy. I will paste it in the YouTube chat. So that's our Discord. We've got like 10,000 people in there. And we have a lot of people who are really good. You'll come in, you'll see who, is a really good contributor. Solanke, he's on both sides. He's on the paid side, the free side. We have Drea, Shanthi, just lots of people. Oh, Sanddollar, you've seen some of the shows. Yeah. Well, I feel like it took me a long time because Rob just spoke in a way that didn't make English sense, which is why I started making videos in the first place. I was like, oh man, I know he has all these cute words, but to a new person, you're just like, what the hell is he talking about? Yeah, and the thing about our Discord is everybody loves the strat, everybody loves trading, everybody is helpful and kind and nice and willing to help. And we don't tolerate any kind of negativity or anything like that. And the people are really good about tagging the moderators too, and we ban them immediately, which hardly happens. Because if you have, a community of positivity, like people kind of just respect it and play along, so people are nice. Yeah, the Rob interpreter. If everyone learns the strat, will the market become a permanent inside bar? No, we'd all be super rich, I feel like. Oh, 2 up. What do we do on a 2 down? Everybody's short. Rob always said no to that question. Hi, Lane. It's easy to learn. We have so much free content. I made a new Strat course in, gosh, that couldn't have been 2023. Yeah, I guess it was 2023. I made a new one and I never did anything with it, so I might start releasing like one video a week and just call it the new, like the updated. Also because I've watched my original course and it makes me cringe so bad. Like, first of all, The sound is terrible. I didn't have a microphone. I used my laptop mic, which was awful. It just sounds terrible. I said a lot of ums. I didn't edit anything. So I've made a new course. It's a lot shorter, to the point, a lot better. So I'm probably, like I said, gonna probably release one a week. I don't want to just release the whole thing, because if I do that, I know that people won't watch it. They'll like watch one or two and then be like, oh, this is too much work. So if I just release one a week, I feel like kind of like bite-sized pieces, you know? It kind of gives people something to do, like, oh, on Saturday morning while I'm drinking my coffee, I will watch a Stratchication video. One of the discords you're in tried to say you're Rob's daughter. I am not Rob's daughter. Rob has a beautiful daughter. She looks just like him. She's an actress. And I think I think once you do get a handle on the strat and you educate yourself by yourself for free and have a basic understanding of the strat, I think that everybody would benefit from at least trying out 1 month of premium, because we know where to be. And if you know what you're doing, you can do really well, and you will more than pay for your membership. Yeah, it takes a village. Yeah. While you guys are chatting, hold on. Do, 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 do. Why am I not surprised that you speak several languages, Sandollar? I'm not surprised, because you're always traveling, so that makes sense. Yes, we do not use any indicators. We do not care. You know what's so funny? Every time the death cross happens, that's usually the bottom. And everybody's like, "Oh, the death cross, we have to go short." It's usually the bottom. We have a new scanner we're working on. It's not done yet. And I have not played with it a lot yet. But this is the new scanner. So like if I click on week and type inside, this will show me 850. Nah, let's see, hold on. I gotta get with Alex. I'm not a scanning person, so it's a little confusing to me. And like I want a drop down menu and nothing drops down. So I'm gonna actually have to ask for that, because it's just, I don't like, why is there just like random 312 ups in here? And again, we're still working on it. We're still giving them feedback and they're still making tweaks, and then it's going to be out for testing soon to premium members. But you can see like where we have categories, you can, I guess, only inside setups, but then I'm not sure why. Hold on. And we got charts. So 312 up, so it wasn't inside. Currently inside. Like, let's look at abstract green week. Aha. In force. So in force, RevStrat green week. So anytime you're above the RevStrat week trigger, these are open, like I believe it's month, week, day opens. And you got the month, the week, the day, the 60. Alex says these charts are customizable. I think he's changed the background color. I don't know how you would actually do it. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't played with it very much yet. So yeah, that's the new scanner. Google, hold on. We do have a whole Strat glossary. Yeah, it's in the terminology channel of our Discord. Google, okay, I don't know what you're talking about exactly. Google. He said, does anyone know why Sarah had Google trigger at 163.67? Oh, because I didn't move it today. This was for yesterday. 212 down. I just didn't move my line. We're not set on price yet, and it's gonna get better and better, the scanner. But you can scan intraday. It's gonna be able to like give you setups like Rob would do. So you can ask it for inside 60s like 10 minutes before the flip, which is huge. If you know the strat, you know how big that is. The scanner is not open to the public yet. Why do we not enable after hours trading for charting? Well, one, it messes up your hourly flips, and two, pre-market and post-market data don't even show up on the daily chart, and that's where people have their stops. Most people don't trade after hours, and stops, you can't have automatic stops in pre-market trading anyway. We just don't need it because we know where our pivots really are. And yeah, we do use we use electronic trading hours for futures because we want all that data because they do trade 24/7. That was so nice earlier. ES perfectly hit that target. Lovely. Yeah. We could get a recording of it. That would be easy. Okay, guys, I'm probably going to get off here. I've been working all day long. I'm tired. No. Oh my God. You could just, yeah, you could see the embarrassment on my face. You're blocked from my Twitter? You must have been a bad boy. I have no idea why I blocked you or would have blocked you. I don't block for no reason, though. That I do know. Yes, yes, I was. But I did it anyway. I sucked it up. Okay, guys. Again, unemployment claims an hour before open. Please be in the Ninja Trader live stream with me at 9 a.m. on Friday. And I guess also subscribe to their channel. So here's their channel, Ninja Trader. You can see I'm subscribed. And then if you click this, you can turn on all notifications if you want. But usually if you just come here in the morning, there'll be like a red box that says live. And then you just click on that. And it's just easy. It just pops up. First video you'll see on their page. It just says live. But yeah, it'd be really cool. I probably won't be able to do that because I don't have my setup. So I don't have my Discord on the laptop that they gave me. So it's going to be up to you guys to go and click on the live video. Okay, cool. All right. I hope you guys have a good evening and a good rest of your trading week. And we will see you out there. Be safe. Bye.